Hi there. I just want to run through quickly how to merge a label into LabelForge. So I created an Excel spreadsheet. You see here in column 1, I have a few different names. In column 2, I have a few different employee numbers. And in column 3, I just have different sort of numbers. So I'm going to create a QR code or a barcode. So I just created random sort of different numbers to create those QR code. I've saved this list in a CSV file, so you can then merge that into LabelForge. So let's go quickly into do that. It's very simple. You create a label, open up a label. I'm just going to click OK for this size here. So it's 150 mil by 100 mil, so 6 by 4 inch. Going to do that. So I can see that label. We're going to move there a little bit. So how you then do with this? So here we got some text. We have some text there, or numbers or text, and then we have a QR code. So what we want to do is, we want to do this. We want to create text. So you see text here, you will have text there. So what you then do to merge that, you can then decide where we want to have this text. First of all, this text then, because we want it to be we want it to be pinned. Well, first of all, let's say we move it to the sort of middle. That's the center. We move it up like that. We will then want to pin this one because so the text stays in the center all the time. So we do that. What we then do is we will go into the 1, 2, 3 here merge button. We will open up the CSV file. We click add. We click browse. Let me see. Let's go up to desktop. We click employees. We click open. You'll see here this will be 1, 2, and 3. So we have 1 is the name, 2 is the numbers, and here's the QR code. So with the first one, we just want to have all the names. So we unclick those two, and we click OK. You see here John here, and then you can see here there's 7 different names. All of that. Next one, do the same thing again. We do a text there. We're just going to keep it there. That's probably will work fine. So we do that, and then we go back to 1, 2, 3. The CSV is here, so we click add. We go browse, click on the same file again, open up. But this time we want to have the second column. So we unclick number 1 and number 3 and click OK. So you will see there. So what we then can do here is that we can double click on that, and we want to have that pinned as well because we want it in the center, and then we just put that in the center. So now you'll see that will be in the center. So the third one is that we just want to add a barcode. So we're gonna add this barcode. Same thing there. We will want to make sure that it's in the center. So we click on the center there. Yep, it is in the center there. And then we want to merge that. The CSV is still there. We will browse that, employees, and we are going to unclick 1 and 2 because we want the third column. And then we click OK. So now you will see mark 1, 2, 6 and a barcode. So we go here, mark 1, 2, 6 and a barcode. If we click to number 5, we will say George 127 and a different QR code. So then you George 127 QR code. And that is how you create a label. Then if you want to print it, you click print. It will come up with current record. That means just this current one. All records means that you will print all 7 labels, or you select which one you want. That's just how it works. So super simple. Let me know if you have any questions.